Honestly, I pray the Lord and soul to keep. Guard me, Jesus, through the night, and wake me with the morning light.
I thank you, dear Jesus, for the good day. I thank you for being gracious to me, to let me wait this morning, to have such wonderful people in my life, such as my dad and Rodney, and have a wonderful dog, Rusty, to be able to go to the Boys and Girls Club, and also to have such blessings to live in such a free world. Have caring people every day that always think about my best interests, good teachers that were willing to spend time with me, even when my behavior sometimes is not so good. But we're working on that, and I know
That's the good thing about this.
you're working on it. It doesn't matter that sometimes you make mistakes. When mistakes are repeated, that's when there's a problem, okay?
And I hope my brother's safe and well.
Yeah.
I pray about him.
Yeah, and brother, please, Sean.
Sean.
Yeah. That's good, you
And Rusty and Dad, Bill, Matthew, and all my friends and stuff.
That's good. I love you. Love you, Mom.
That's all.
The end.